In this video, I'm going to show you the best places in Miami, Florida that tourists should definitely check out. Now, if you're looking for a place with great food and art, then Miami is the place for you. In this video, I'll share my favorite restaurants, cafes, and cool hangouts. So sit back and enjoy as we take a tour of one of America's top tourist destinations. Miami Beach. Miami is a vibrant city with wonderful attractions and activities. Miami Beach is one of the most popular destinations for tourists, as it's home to some of the best restaurants, nightclubs, and hotels in Miami. But there are other great places to visit as well. In this video, I'll cover all that you need to know about Miami so that you can plan your trip or vacation better. Little Havana. Some locations are worth exploring even if you're not on vacation. One such location is Little Havana. It's just one of those places that feels like home because it reminds me of my childhood in Cuba. If you happen to be looking for an authentic Cuban restaurant or see someone wearing Guadalajara shirts walking around the neighborhood, this is definitely the place for you. Wynwood Art District. First up is Wynwood Art District. This neighborhood is filled with galleries, studios, street art, and graffiti murals on every corner. The district was named after the old warehouse buildings built by Charles Rhodes Wynwood, who wanted an industrial site. Today, this area offers various attractions such as Beachside Brewing Co., Blackman Editions Gallery, Miami Project Space, and more. Coral Gables Historic District. Miami has so much to offer tourists, not just in terms of attractions, but also in terms of neighborhoods. The Coral Gables Historic District is one that any tourist should visit because it's a beautiful area with lots to do and see. There are cafes, shops, restaurants, and historic buildings galore here, as well as the amazing Biltmore Hotel Coral Gables, which offers incredible views over Miami Beach from its terrace restaurant or its rooftop pool. The district is easily accessible by public transportation too. The Vizcaya Museum and Gardens are a Miami tourist attraction. It is located north of Miami on Biscayne Bay in Coconut Grove, Florida. The museum began as the estate of James Deering 1858 through 1935, an industrialist who made his fortune in harvesting equipment and later expanded into railroads and real estate. Construction started in 1911. The house was completed 5 years later, then enlarged by additional rooms between 1925 through 28. Much of the furnishings came from Deering's travels around the world before World War I with his second wife Mary 1878 through 1954. The gardens were designed to complement both indoor spaces and outdoor activities. They feature many varieties of plants, trees, flowers, ponds, fountains, stone paths, and sculptures. The estate was donated to Miami-Dade County in 1979 after the death of Deering's last surviving grandchild. It opened as a museum in 1980. That's all, folks. Stay tuned next time as we discover more places tourists can enjoy the best and low-key places around the world. Hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe.